So I'm going to show you the life cycle, all the stages, or most of the stages at least, of an Aedes mosquito. Now, other mosquitoes have different strategies for laying eggs and keeping their eggs alive, etc. And these are mosquitoes that we keep in colony. But this is what the eggs look like for an Aedes mosquito. This one is Aedes aegypti. Each of those little black dots, and you can see they're small. When you see big, that's actually many eggs, is an egg. And these can survive for months dry like this. And then when we flood them with water, they'll hatch and become larvae. And here, let me show you some larvae that we have hatched out, okay? So these are Aedes larvae. It's actually a different species, but they look almost identical unless you look at them under the microscope. And you can see these are larvae. They are swimming around under the water, moving very rapidly, looking for food. These ones are fairly active foragers, scraping the surface. We repurposed some deviled egg trays for this because I like the depressions in them. And you can see how there's some lots of mosquitoes in here. And then here are some larvae that we've put in a more clear cup. I don't know if you'll be able to get that actually because of the angle on it, but hopefully maybe you can see that when they're not doing anything, they want to be hanging from that surface. They want to really be taking it easy, using all of the nutrients they're gathering for growth and not wasted on moving around too much. And so they're going to hang by their siphons or their snorkels from the top of the water to breathe and just take it easy till they have to go get more food. All right. After a period of time, these will pupate. We don't have any pupae right now that I know about, but we can probably find some at some point. But they'll pupate, and that's a stage that lasts a couple of days, 1 or 2 days. It's active. They swim, but they don't feed as a pupae. And they, more than anything, they don't want to do anything. But they swim in case a predator comes and they have to get away. And then they emerge as an adult. And here is a cage of adults that we keep. These are the same as those eggs I showed you, Aedes aegypti. It's a mixture of males and females. To the trained eye, they're easy to tell apart, but it can be a little bit difficult. Males are generally smaller and they have fuzzy antennae. The females have less fuzzy antennae, are usually bigger. Some of these look to me to be blood-fed, which we've done in order to perpetuate them. They'll lay eggs on a piece of paper just like the one I showed you, and that will complete the life cycle.